Hello everyone, and welcome back. I'm really happy you're here today. Thank you for pressing play. I hope you're doing well. And if your day has been busy, or stressful, or even a little boring, I'm glad you're here anyway. Take this time just for yourself. Maybe you're lying in bed. Maybe you're cleaning your room. Maybe you're walking outside. Maybe you're drinking tea. Whatever you're doing right now, welcome. Today, I just want to sit with you for a little while and talk like friends. No pressure. No difficult topic. Just a calm conversation. Sometimes I think we all need that. A few quiet minutes. A little break from noise. A little break from rushing. Life can feel fast sometimes, can't it? One day becomes another day. Morning becomes evening. Monday becomes Friday. And suddenly we wonder where the week went. I feel that sometimes too. You wake up. Maybe your alarm rings earlier than you want. Maybe you stay under the blanket for 5 more minutes. Maybe 10. You finally get up. You wash your face. You look in the mirror. Maybe you still feel sleepy. Maybe your hair looks messy. Maybe you smile at yourself. Or maybe you don't. Then the day begins. You start doing things. Big things. Small things, important things, not so important things. You answer messages, you wash dishes, you study, you work, you eat, you clean something, you forget something, you remember something, and the hours pass. Very quietly, very quickly. And sometimes, because we are so busy doing things, we forget to actually feel the day. Do you know what I mean? We move through the day, but we don't always notice it. And yet every day has something worth noticing. Even ordinary days, especially ordinary days. Maybe this morning, the sunlight came through your window in a beautiful way. Maybe the sky was cloudy. Maybe it smelled like rain outside. Maybe your tea was extra warm. Maybe your breakfast tasted better than usual. Maybe you heard someone laughing in another room. Maybe you saw a cat sleeping outside. Maybe you felt tired. Maybe peaceful. Maybe both. All of those things count. Not every meaningful moment looks important. Sometimes it's tiny. Sometimes it lasts only 5 seconds. But it still stays with us. I remember moments like that. Moments that looked ordinary at the time, but later felt special. Like sitting by a window during rain. Or hearing dishes in the kitchen while someone cooks, or folding clean laundry while listening to music, or staying awake a little late because the house feels peaceful at night. You know that feeling? When everything gets quiet, and the world feels softer. Maybe there's a fan spinning, maybe a cup beside you, maybe everyone else is asleep, and for a moment, it's just you and your thoughts. I think those moments can feel very honest. No performance, no pressure, just being. And I think being is enough. We don't always need to be improving something, fixing something, achieving something. Sometimes we can just exist in the moment. And that is enough. I know social media can make it feel like every day has to be exciting, productive, beautiful, successful. Like every morning should begin perfectly. Like every room should be clean. Like every person should feel motivated all the time. But real life isn't like that. Real life is messy. Sometimes your room is messy. Sometimes your thoughts are messy. Sometimes your day doesn't go as planned. Sometimes you burn the toast. Sometimes you spill the tea. Sometimes you forget why you walked into the room. Sometimes you feel tired for no reason. Sometimes you feel emotional for no reason. And honestly, that's part of being human. That's real life. And real life can still be beautiful. Actually, I think that's where the beauty is. In the imperfect parts. In the unfinished parts. In the little ordinary pieces. A sink full of dishes means people ate. A wrinkled blanket means you rested. A notebook full of crossed out words means you tried. A tired body means you carried yourself through another day. That matters. You matter. Even on quiet days. Even on boring days, even on days that feel unimportant, sometimes we are very hard on ourselves. We think, I didn't do enough today. I should have done more. I wasted time. I could have been better. Maybe you've thought that before. I think many people do. But maybe resting wasn't wasting time. Maybe slowing down was necessary. Maybe doing only a few things was enough. Maybe surviving the day was enough. Maybe drinking water, eating food, and maybe drinking water, eating food, and getting through the afternoon was enough. Sometimes enough looks very small, and that's okay. You don't always need a big achievement to have a meaningful day. Sometimes a meaningful day is simply getting out of bed, answering one message, taking a shower, making tea, watering a plant, watching the sunset. That counts too. I think we should celebrate ordinary things more. Or opening the window in the morning. Or finishing the dishes. Or laughing at something silly online. Or hearing your favorite song unexpectedly. These tiny things are part of life. And life is made of tiny things. Not just milestones. Not just birthdays. Not just success stories. But little moments. Thousands of them. Quiet moments. Messy moments. Comfortable moments. Funny moments. Forgettable moments. And sometimes, those become the moments we remember most. So today, I have a small invitation for you. Notice one thing before your day ends. Just one. Maybe look outside for 10 seconds. Maybe listen to the evening sounds. Maybe feel the temperature of your tea cup in your hands. Maybe notice the color of the sky. Maybe notice the blanket over your legs. Maybe notice your breathing. No pressure. You don't need to write it down. You don't need to post about it. Just notice it. Just let yourself be there for it. That's all. Thank you so much for spending this time with me today. I hope this felt peaceful. I hope it felt friendly. Like sitting together for a little while and talking. And if your day has been heavy, I hope this gave you a softer moment inside it. Take care of yourself. Drink some water. Get some rest when you can. And I'll be here again next time. Thank you for listening. Bye for now.